Hello, this is Bowser Remix Checkout, and we playing Shockaway, the game. That means it's called Coin Jumper Dodo Bird. Do not hit the same slot. Do not hit the coin. To win, get 7 coins in all slots. If you get all 7 coins, now we're going to say Shockaway, and now will be the winner. Let's begin. If you hit the same coin in this. If you hit the coin, we'll take away a letter or an exclamation point. Anyways, let's play. Oh, wait. That means take away exclamation point. Let's back to the game. If something happened, take away a letter Y. Yeah. Not again. Take away a letter A. Getting close. And what they have so far. Getting so close. Take away another letter W. Seems like so close. Take away a letter A. You have 5 chances remaining. Okay, let's go. Oh no. Take away a letter K. 4 chances remaining. Okay. We we lost a letter. We lost a letter. What? I lost a letter. Yeah, three chances left. So I get compared. Let's see. Okay, so close enough. Okay. I really get so close. Oh, nice. Ah. Well, no. You two, you lost. Oh, I lost a letter. We have two chances left. Okay, let's go. You gotta save your You gotta save my letters. Oh no. See. Wow. Okay, last one. Get some coins. Yay! Sock away, sock away, sock away. Sock away, sock away, sock away. Sock away, sock away, sock away. Sock away, sock away. Alright, thanks for watching. I win the game in coin dropper. Now I win at the Shockaway night game. Anyways, thanks for watching. This is me, that's from Remix Checkout, signing off.